Hey you guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be turning this into this, so stick around. Hey you guys, and welcome back, and a huge welcome to those of you that may be new here. I am Deena, and you have landed at DeeVine DeeZine. On this channel, we do all kinds of fun and crazy things, so I want to encourage you to take a minute to look around. Go to that video tab and take a look at all the different kind of content that we offer here. If you see something that you like, please consider hitting that subscribe button and becoming part of our designer family. And you're going to want to make sure you hit that bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Now, come on. Let's get on into today's content. Welcome to my bathroom, you guys. Look at this disaster. You can obviously see that there was organization in this drawer at one time, but well, life gets busy and things like this can happen. So let's tackle this today. First of all, we're going to have to empty all of that stuff out of that drawer. We got to get an idea of exactly what we have. My stuff has gotten so piled up, you guys, that in all honesty, I have forgotten half of what was in here. And that is the number one reason we want to stay organized so that we can truly use the items that we have. When I am cleaning and reorganizing a space, I always love to vacuum up all the extra dirt and debris that builds up over time. And of course, in this kind of drawer, all of those loose extra hairs, because this is where all of my hair accessories are. Don't forget to also clean out those bins because we want to start with a nice clean surface with those as well. To help organize this space, I will be using these little bins from Dollar Tree. You'll notice here these are the ones that do clamp together, and that helps keep things nice and secure down inside of a large drawer. Those bigger bins came from Staples. Now it's time to just start separating things around. You'll notice that I'm separating the larger claws from the smaller claws. I've got some banana clips and some scrunchies, and you'll notice here that a lot of these little clips are still on their cardboard packaging, which adds too much bulk to the drawer. I'm going to go ahead and take the time right now to remove all of those from the packaging. I decided to go ahead and add this little box because I need a space for all of those bobby pins, and I want those up front more convenient as I reach down into the drawer quickly while I'm getting ready. That's all cleaning and organizing is, you guys, is just moving things around until you find how things are most conveniently placed in your drawer. Now I'm going to add a second little container with those lighter color bobby pins because I don't reach for those a whole lot, and I want to keep them separated from the darker bobby pins. Now it's time to organize those adorable little headbands, most of which came from Dollar Tree. I'm sure you'll recognize them from some hauls. And then of course I do have some dressier ones that I picked up at Baya. Now it's time to tackle all those bandanas. If you guys have been around the channel a while, then you know I certainly love to use these a lot. This is how I fold them and roll them, and I find it a lot more convenient just to stand them up on their side so that I can quickly look down with just a glance and see which color I want. It saves me from having to thumb through a big old pile of headbands. Now I'm putting in my mirror, some baby wipes, my face cleansing cloths, and my brushes, and that's going to be the last thing that I need to put in this drawer. Now everything is nice and organized, and the great thing about it is everything is positioned in such a way that I can grab it quickly as I'm getting ready because, come on, we all know that we hate wasting time fumbling around trying to find things to accessorize our hair when we're in a hurry. This did leave us with quite a bit of product now that we need to put back in different drawers because they just didn't belong in this drawer anyway. I hope that this inspired you guys to get busy cleaning and organizing your space. I want to thank you all so very much for watching. See you soon.